So you've just bought your first massive box of candle wax, and it's come in those massive sort of brick formats. So they're quite hard to chop up and to break. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I break my slabs of wax to make it easy to melt. So to save money, it's easy to buy wax in bulk. You normally get a bit of a discount, and sometimes they come in these massive slabs, which are quite difficult to chop up. But I've got a few easy hacks. Firstly, we've got the Sculpter. As you can see, it's not very effective, but you can pretend to be a Greek sculptor for a bit.
And if you're good at it, like I am there clearly, there's an alternative side hustle route you can go down.
However, the best method is just using a knife. Yeah, normally I'll just get a nice sort of fairly sharp kitchen knife and just cut it up into blocks. Obviously be careful, but most waxes chop up pretty easy, as you can see, so it doesn't take a lot. Nice and easy, very simple. Last but not least, we've got the hammer. If you've got some anger issues or a bit of stress you want to relieve, you can use this. I wouldn't recommend it. The knife method is the best. But yeah, give it a go.
Oh, come!
Yeah, not really the best. Stick with the knife.